Okay, so we are out of European. We actually made it.
The highest point in Africa.
And the highest freestanding mountain in the world. And we want to wish everyone a happy New Year and a happy 2012. And lots of thanks to our family for all their support and love this year. And so we have a little toast.
Yeah.
There you go. And look, my salsa. Hey, see?
Yeah. All right. What he's doing now, he's opening the champagne just to really fulfill this congratulations. It's amazing. I would like to really prove that they are really here. I've done this several times. So now, look what's going to happen now. Igor is going to open the champagne on the roof of Africa. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Very nice. That's really good.
right.
They are going to drink together.
Happy
The
New
first
Year.
one is Mila, yes. And then Igor again.
Happy New Year.
The same to you, bro. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear.
Cool.
Press the button to stop.